The productive mom life is cute, but it is a mission. Good morning, sis, and welcome here. Welcome to the productive mom life. God has blessed me with 4 beautiful kids, and I am a stay-at-home mom. So it's very, very, very important that I keep up with things. Otherwise, I would easily feel like I am drowning. But on this particular day, before I even started with my own personal things, my grandmother, I washed the laundry, and so I just decided to give a room a quick tidy before I get folding it and putting it away for her. I decided to just change a bedding, clean her mirror, just a quick tidy in a room. My bedroom is very small, so I just took a few clips. It was quite a challenge to film in this space because it is like the smallest room in the house, but nevertheless I just decided to quickly, like I mentioned, just freshen up the space for her. My grandmother is in her 80s, very, very, very strong woman. We love her so much, and now she just needs more help than usual. Very, very, very cheeky type of a personality. She does not want to be helped. But this day I basically just put her out of her own room, and I did this quick tidy for her, just so that she can have a space that she can sit in and feel comfortable, So, I have the kids at home, and whenever I have the kids at home, I try my utmost best. If I'm not going to have sandwiches for that day, I would prepare a quick and easy lunch, because anyone that has multiple kids know that they are constantly hungry. And so on this day I had some beef and a few ingredients that I thought I'm going to just make a quick and easy lunch for them. And so I really didn't even have much ingredients. I just cooked my beef until it is nice and soft, and I find that even if I have not much ingredients, but I have my favorite spices, that is still a win for me. So I just decided to make a quick meal with the ingredients that I had, with the beef that I had, just so that I can be prepared for whenever the hungry neck starts coming my way. As a mom, I have learned that doing certain things helps so much, like waking up earlier, taking care of yourself first, doing the things that stresses you out first, like me not having lunch prepared for them and they starting 4 people at once saying they are hungry is just overstimulating sometimes. I am easily overstimulated, so it doesn't even take much to get me to that point. And so I had these mini rolls that I had in the fridge for about a week, I think. And I didn't even realize that it started to defrost because I didn't put it in the freezer. So I decided, since the kids wanted some of these mini rolls that I didn't feel like making on this day, I just decided to make it. And instead of tossing it, I just decided to put it in a baking pan and make it like some type of pie. Yeah, it ended up working. You have to make it work. So I just decided to put it in this pan and put some egg yolk on top of it, put it in the oven, and it was good to go. I didn't like it. I must say I don't really like these mini rolls. I like making my own pies at home, but the kids enjoyed it, so that was a win. And I just placed it in the oven and baked it, and it was ready to go. While I was doing all the cooking, all my kids were at home coloring. My kids love coloring. They are such creative human beings. So they were coloring. Hopi was laying watching TV. My beef came out so nice, soft, chef kiss, and the kids enjoyed the food, as simple as it was. I think sometimes we as mommies stress ourselves out too much, and so simple meals is a win for mommies. Let me love you. This is the story of my life. This is how I do life. Multiple things at the same time. I know it's not good for our mental health, but that is just how my brain works. I would be cooking, cleaning, checking up on the kids, all those things. But nevertheless, I decided to just tidy up, and I am a clean as you go person. I would cook and clean at the same time. I do not like to cook in a dirty kitchen. So even before I start cooking, I make sure the dishes is washed. And while I'm cooking, I'm rinsing out and washing out whatever I'm using. So that is a big tip for someone that feels overwhelmed. That is me. I can't cook in a dirty kitchen. So I need to first tidy to make sure that the counters are super clean and tidy if I can start with anything. And so on this specific moment, Tyrese wanted my phone, and he was telling me I was taking super long with this video. And so that one is the one that always pushes his luck. He is the feisty one. My other kids are more chilled, busy but chilled. He is feisty. So each and every week, I make sure before the beginning of a new week, I would iron and take out the entire week's clothes that my kids need. I would iron it. And mind you, I really thought ironing is the least my least favorite thing to do. But I recently realized that washing windows actually is my least favorite thing to do. I think it's because I have all the windows. But nevertheless, I would take a few hours if I have to iron, to make sure that I am set up for a successful week, to make sure that I'm not doing any ironing throughout the week, that even now that my husband is at home, is no more working outside of the home, I don't iron that much for him as well. So the kids' clothes, man, I will iron that clothes and make sure it is prepared so that I don't have to iron the rest of the week, you know. And so I just ironed out the entire week's clothes so that I can be free of that one thing to do. I don't mind ironing. I am realizing, there's certain things that you find that you don't really enjoy, but I think ironing, it's also a bit of like quiet time. I am an overthinker, so any quiet time, my mind is just racing. And yeah, so I just decided to iron, and there you see me rinse off my rice. We do everything that we need to do at once. I know it is not healthy, but at this point, guys, my brain works that way. I cannot do one thing and wait until that thing is finished, and unless it's obviously important things like maybe homework. At first, I used to do homework while cooking, but now I have changed it to making sure that I cook before the kids get from school, and then when they come and we need to do homework, then I know I'm done with cooking and I'm not stirring a pot while doing maths, I decided to give the kids some food because they were hungry. They did have a friend over as well. The productive mom life is cute, but it is a mission. So at this point, I was tired. When it came to folding the laundry, I was exhausted, but I really pushed myself to get it done because I did have one full basket to fold, and I knew that I was tired, I was hungry, but I knew that after eating, I'm not gonna fold no basket. So I pushed myself to fold all these laundry. So after folding this basket, I decided to have some lunch. I literally went into my bedroom, put up my feet for, I think it was about 2 hours, and then I decided to do my girl's hair, wash it, get it all ready for the week. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for being here with me, sharing a productive day in my life. I know we as mommies have a lot to do, but those things are really our blessings. And so I'm honored to be a mom, a wife, a homemaker, a daughter, a friend. That is all my blessings. So I will see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Stay kind, stay safe, stay blessed.